Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools to perform the lubrication process effectively. You will need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a clean cloth, lubricating oil specifically designed for motors, and a small funnel for precision. Start by disconnecting the power supply to ensure safety. Locate the motor housing on your Silvercrest SKMC 1200. Using the flathead screwdriver, carefully remove the screws securing the housing. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them for reassembly. Once the housing is removed, take a moment to inspect the internal components. A clean and debris-free environment is crucial for effective lubrication. Wipe down the interior surfaces with your clean cloth to remove dust and grime. If you notice any buildup, consider using a soft brush for more thorough cleaning. Next, locate the lubrication points on the motor. These are usually small openings or ports designated for oil application. Using your funnel, apply a few drops of lubricating oil to each point. Be careful not to over-lubricate, as this can attract more dirt and create additional maintenance issues. If you're unsure about the right amount of oil, remember that less is often more in this case. Now, if you don't have the tools or feel uncertain about performing this maintenance, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you can enjoy professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring your motor receives the care it needs without any hassle. After lubrication, reattach the motor housing, making sure to align it correctly. Use the Phillips screwdriver to secure the screws tightly, ensuring the housing is sealed properly. This is crucial to prevent any contaminants from entering the motor during operation. Before powering the motor back on, it's wise to perform a quick visual inspection. Check for any loose wires or components that might have been disturbed during the process. If everything looks good, reconnect the power supply and test the motor's operation. In case of any unusual noises or performance issues, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide a quote before repair, so you will know the costs upfront without any hidden fees. Plus, we make it easy for you, no calls, no travel. Just a simple and effective service right at your doorstep. By following these steps, you can ensure that your Silvercrest SKMC 1200 motor runs smoothly and efficiently. Regular lubrication not only extends the life of your motor but also enhances its performance, making it a crucial part of your maintenance routine. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.